guys, welcome to my channel. How's it going? I hope you're all doing really well. Today I've got a little bit of a haul video for you. It's a bit different to my normal hauls. It is a little bit random. I went to B&Q and I went to B&M Bargains, so there's a little bit of a mixture. I've got quite a lot of cleaning stuff because we are moving house, and I need to clean this house and then I'll need to clean the new house before we move in. We had to replace a few little bits in this house before we move, so I've got those. But we're just going to jump in and show you. If you like haul videos, give this one a thumbs up. You should definitely subscribe to my channel for more fun stuff to come. But let's just stop chattering and get in to see what I got. So, I'll do the boring things first from B&Q basically. I got a curtain pole because we said we would leave a curtain pole in the living room, and the curtain pole I've got currently is a really nice one. It's got like, I'll insert a picture of it here, but it's got like crackled glass ends, like black, really dark black grey glass, and I really like it. So I just got a nice cheapy one. It's just a plain kind of chrome, and it's an extender. It's an extender Lynn. Sorry about that. Yeah, so I got that. I had to get a toilet seat. This has been cute. This was £7. It was so cheap. It's ridiculous. Because the toilet seat we have got on our toilet currently is one of the family ones, so it's got the little drop down bit for the kids, and the people that are moving into this house are an elderly couple, so they obviously aren't going to want that. We're going to want one in the new house, so we thought we would just do a straight swap. So we got that. I also got some different wallpaper samples, and I'm just going to show you because you can tell me what you think. I've gone off this one, like literally as soon as I've got home, I've gone off this one. It's got feathers on it. It's pretty, but I've just gone off that. I don't like that one. I've got this one, which I absolutely love. This is just going to be for one wall in the new house. I thought that was gorgeous. Just for one wall, I thought that'd be really pretty. I haven't shown Ben any of these yet. He'll probably hate them all. This is another similar one to that one. I think it's the same family. This one is actually in the sale at the moment. This one is £8 a roll, and I love it. Like, I absolutely love dark walls, and I love like the green. I just think that's gorgeous. And then we've got this one, which is so cute, but I thought I might use this more for like Instagram photos. I might buy a roll and then cover a board. It's apothecary drawers. Like, how nice is that as a background? I might even do like the background of my new office in something like that, because I really do like that one. That was really pretty. Then the final one is another print of leaves. I really like this one. These ones, the other ones, these ones will probably be for downstairs, but I think I quite like this one for my bedroom maybe. Just one wall in the bedroom, or the spare room, I'm not sure. But yeah, now my desk is covered in wallpaper samples. Let's carry on. Another thing I got from B&Q was this little plant. It's in 100% recyclable eco sleeve, which is nice. And this is, it just says foliage, Boston fern, 12 centimetre, and this was £3. I'll release him from his little paper prison that we can recycle. Look, I just thought that was really nice. A bushy bush. I have, like, in the last sort of 4 or 5 months, I've just got obsessed with houseplants. Like, the garden we've got now is really full of plants. It's like, it's got borders, it's got bushes, it's got plants, it's got grass, it's got ferns, it's got everything. The new house is just grass, and we kind of like that just for the kids so they can play, and because the dog tramples everything. That lump tramples on anything you plant, and so I think I'm just kind of like, I'm wanting to fill like the new house just with loads and loads of plants. It just makes me really happy being in a room full of plants. I don't know if that's weird, but, or it's just the fact that I'm getting old as balls. I just want to have plants everywhere. I've highlighted my collarbone, if you couldn't tell. I'm very excited about it. Never ever highlighted my collarbone before, but I thought, you know what? I'd give it a go. I like it. Moving on. B&M Bargains. I've got to do this one quietly. I this is the one who is nearly, this is her favourite one. The box is knackered, but 3 and 4 year olds don't give a crap about the box, do they? And they gave me, I think I got it for £9. They gave me a little bit of money off because of all this doodad. But it's like a Girls World styling head, but it's a, so yeah, that needs to be wrapped up and hidden. I'm gonna have to re-hide that now. Cleaning stuff. I got these from B&Q. I think these were like £2.90, £2.78, £2.98 for 3 rolls, and this stuff is brilliant. I really, really like this one. It seems to last for ages. Moving on to B&M properly now. I got this little tiny mop, and it's £2.50. House Proud Super Absorbent 100% microfiber mini noodle mop with an extendable handle. And I just thought that was really cool. And like, you can use it like in your corners, you can use it on your windows. I don't know, let's see how much it extends. They did have pink ones as well, but I'm a sucker for mint green. Right. Oh! I don't know how much. Oh yeah, see, I can reach the ceiling. I can mop my ceiling. I can just, yeah, I can mop the ceiling. And I love these little microfiber doodads. Yeah. I'm super happy with that. Nice, cute little, don't know how to like make it go back small again. Oh, here we go. Oh, £2.50. Bargain. Home bargains. No, not home bargains. It's not home bargains. It's B&M home stores. I get them so confused. B&M. B&M. Okay. I got these, which I probably shouldn't have done, but I couldn't not. I love these chocolates. They're amazing. These are the dark ones. I've had all the other ones. I've tried them all before. These are going to be per 100 grams. That's not helpful. I'm going to have to weigh them. I'll put it on the screen when I edit as to how many calories is in one of these. They are going to be amazing. And they were like £1.99, and I'm pretty sure they're a £5 in Asda at the moment, so winner. Okay, I got some bathroom cleaner because our bathroom is in desperate need of a proper scrub, so I'm gonna get on and scrub the crap out of it, and then obviously this will just go to the new house. Nail varnish remover, because I ran out the other day and my nails are atrocious. They're so bad, and I literally hadn't had any, so I've been trying to find some. I went to Asda the other day and they didn't have any, so I got that for £1. Now this is something I used to have all the time, and I was like, I absolutely loved it as a cleaning thing, but then I just for some reason stopped getting it. But then I watched Mrs. Hinch on Instagram this morning. Oh my god, you need to go. I mean, you've probably already seen it, to be fair, because I think she's got like, she's gained like 50,000 followers in a week or something. But she's amazing, she's hilarious, and she does cleaning ones, and she's kind of got me back into the Zaflora action because this is amazing. You can like use it on your sinks, you can use it to clean, you can use it as a spray, which what I'm intending to do is get another one of these little bottles and put Zaflora in, and then water, and then it's going to be like a spray for everything. But I love this one. I got Bouquet. There was the other big size bottle, because they had little bottles as well for £1. This was £3.99. This worked out cheaper. They did have the linen one as well, but I smelled that and I love the smell of fresh linen, but it did not smell like linen, so I didn't get it. And then I've got one more bag. I've got my Slytherin bag. Thanks, Kim. Oh, I've got some microfiber cleaning cloths. I got rainbow ones. I did pick some white ones, but then the kids saw these ones and were like, we want the rainbow ones, and they were the same price. These were £2.99 for 10 cloths, and apparently these are supposed to be amazeballs. I got some wipes. These are just mainly to wipe the toilet with, because little fish is potty trained. She does generally go on the toilet, but for some reason some days she'll only go on the potty, and then she wants to tip the potty into the toilet. So this is just to clean up all the piss strips, basically. I got a Harpic toilet doodad. I thought I'll put this in now, and I think this lasts like a month and we move in a month, so that'll be good. I got some worming tablets for the dog, or worming granules for the dog. When we took him for his vaccinations the other week, the vet asked if we flea'd and wormed him, and we didn't. We haven't for a long time. He doesn't come into contact with any other dogs. We don't ever flea him, and he's never had fleas, touch wood. But we thought maybe worming granules might be an idea. I think these were like $3.99, and there's 4 lots in here. I don't know how often you're supposed to do it. I'm assuming it will say on inside. What does it say? Oh, here we go. Treatment should be repeated 2 to 4 times per year. So one of these, $3.99, will last him a year. And then I got, this is another thing, I've never seen this before. But this is fairy, and it's ironing water. So my thinking as well, along the same lines as the Flora, I don't iron anything ever. But I smelled this, and this smells like, oh, it smells amazing. It smells so good. And so I thought this would be a really good thing, because it's non-bio gentle, and it's dermatologically accredited, so it's okay for skin and stuff, for sensitive skin. I thought this would be good to put into a spray bottle, like again diluted with water, and I can spray this like on the girls' bedding and stuff if it wants a little bit of a refresh, on their curtains, on the sofa, things that might get irritated because they have sensitive skin. I thought that might be quite good to give things a boost. And then finally, I think this is finally, I got these, which were £1 in the sale, and they are tumblers that have got built-in straws. I've been looking for these all summer, and I couldn't find them anywhere because we've like stopped the girls having straws now. Look, I don't know how clean they'll stay. I think if you're just using juice in them or water, they'll be fine. I wouldn't ever recommend using milk in them because that's going to be really hard to clean. I do have a straw cleaner for my stainless steel straws, but I thought they'd be good for the kids for £1. So that was my random haul. I hope you like it. I liked it. I love random hauls. Yeah, I'm going to go and start cleaning. Thanks for watching. Bye guys.